Oh, hey, it's you. Come on in. This is my dresser. I got the dresser from IKEA and it's super cute and I love it. Over there we have a picture of me and my family, and on the bottom is a picture of me and my grandma. And underneath it is a doily that my grandma made for me for Christmas one year. This little figurine is a figurine of the Salt Lake Temple, which my parents gave me for my 16th birthday. And this is my body lotion, my hand lotion, and my deodorant for on-the-go days. And this is my Google home. And then this is a candle warmer, and it has butterflies in it, and it looks like a lantern, so it's super cute. And then over here, we have my lacrosse stick with a pink lacrosse ball in it. It's a girl on my teams, but we don't know whose it is, so I've kind of just been keeping it. But anyways, this is my favorite part of my room. So we have my beautiful big mirror, which I also got from IKEA for my 16th birthday. And it's super nice and super pretty and super simple, and it matches my room perfectly. And then this is my jewelry box that I got from my grandma when she moved out of her old house. And then this cubicle I got from Amazon for my 17th birthday. No. I don't know what I got it for. Anyways. And then these are just some cute decorations. So this one has an arrow pointing to the right, as in choose the right. And then this little picture says, the decision to believe is the most important choice we ever make. And then I have this little tinfoil rose that the young men in my ward made me. And then we have a picture of me and my friends here, and then a little blow-up elephant figurine thing. And then a pineapple, which has change in it, so it's my piggy bank. Don't tell anybody. And then over here we have a picture of Christ, the Eiffel Tower, and another Eiffel Tower. And then under here is just random stuff, so that doesn't matter. And this is my bed. I love my bed. I got the frame from IKEA. The throw pillows are from Amazon, and then Eeyore is from Disney World. I also got this blanket from Walmart, which is actually super nice. I sleep with that every night. And then up here we have a collage of pictures from my senior year up to this point, which I love. I love how it turned out. This is my bedside table. Pretty much anything I will ever need is in here. I have my journal, Harry Potter book, or the book I'm currently reading anytime, my scriptures, and then this is YouTube book stuff, and this is my psychology textbook, which I just don't have anywhere else to put, so I put it in there. Then we got my water bottle with a bunch of stickers on it. I love stickers. And then we have an I love you sign, and this thing that says be true to who you are, and the family name you bear. And over here we've got my bookshelf. In this basket we just have some lacrosse balls and stress balls. And then we have a light up pineapple, which I should turn on. Light up pineapple. And then this apple trophy that I got for being the president of Educators Rising last year. And then a nail art of the Salt Lake Temple. These baskets just have markers, like expo markers, highlighters, stuff like that. This one has my scissors, sticky notes, pencils and pens, stuff like that. In here, I just love this box so much, so I never get rid of it, but I just have a lock that I used to use on my gym locker when I had gym, which I don't anymore. And then in here is programs of plays that I've been, plays that I've seen, that I've had friends in, and birthday cards. And then on this shelf, we have my Bath & Body Works collection. It's definitely not all of them, but it's my favorite ones and the ones that I think look the most pretty. So yeah. And then under here is just books. Just a regular old bookshelf. This is the most random part of my room. So we have this thing with the monitor on it. I usually just hook it up to my laptop if I'm doing like a big homework assignment and I need two screens, one bigger than the other, just in case, you know, if I ever need it. And then this thing, the legs that you see, that's my YouTube light that I use for filming. So, and this is my closet. What? There's a closet in your room. So this is where I keep all of my coats and my sweatshirts, and then right here is my work shirts, and then I have my favorite / newest shoes on this shelf, just so I don't want them to get dirty if they're on the floor. And then down here we have my shirts, my tops, and then we have shoes starting to gather on the floor, but I do have a shoe rack also. And then over here is my dresses and skirts. And above we have blankets, Christmas decorations, a toaster, and a space heater. And then back here, I have my garbage can, my ukulele, and my guitars right here. And this is the other side of my closet on these shelves. The top one, this is my memory box of things from my childhood. Here's more notebooks and stuff like that. It's just kind of like another bookshelf. This is my high school scrapbook. This bucket is just full of random stuff that I don't have a place for anywhere else. Then we have a heating pad, and I have my random Harry Potter wand from when I went to Universal in Florida. Don't know where the box is, so that's why it's just chilling. And then we have my nail polish. Then on this shelf, we have my backpacks. So this is my school backpack, this is my lacrosse backpack, and then in the back is my work backpack. And then we have some extra lacrosse sticks that I just keep handy in case somebody needs to borrow one. And then underneath these shelves, I keep my hamper for my dirty clothes. And this is where I film. This is my second closet. There's really nothing in there, and it's not very important what's in there. But fun fact, these doors aren't actually put on. I just lean them up against the shelves so that it looks like they're put on. But my dad hasn't had time to get to my closet doors yet, so they're just kind of chilling. And then I have a strip of LED lights. I had LED lights all the way around my room in my old room, but we couldn't take them off the wall because they peel the paint. So my dad got me this one, which you can take off and put anywhere you want. So I might be taking those to college. We'll see. And then the last thing I wanted to show you guys, this is something that I talk about every YouTube video basically, is my self-love wall. So this is where it is. It's right next to my door. It's just on this little wall, if you can even call it that. But yeah, look how it's growing. I even started doing colors because I feel like it gives it a more happy, positive look, if you will. So yeah. So this is the end of my room tour, and to be honest, this is honestly my dream room. Growing up in my old house, we had a room in the basement that was 2 rooms made into one, which was always my brother's room. And I was like, oh, I want that room so bad, but I never got it. And so when we moved here, it just happened to work out that there was space in the basement where it could be 2 rooms, but the two rooms would be too small, so we just combined them together to make 1 room. And it became my room because I'm spoiled. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to follow my Instagram and my TikTok, and I'll see y'all later. Peace!